Welcome to Thoughts Through AI, where we dive deep into the realm of futuristic ideas and cutting-edge technology. When a file is deleted from the recycle bin, it might seem like it's gone for good, but there's more to the story. First, let's break down what happens when that delete button is pressed. When a file is sent to the recycle bin, it's not actually erased from the hard drive. Instead, it's just moved to a special folder where it can be easily restored if needed. Think of it as a temporary holding area. But once that recycle bin is emptied, things start to change. Once a file is deleted from the recycle bin, the operating system marks the space it occupied as available for new data. This means the file isn't immediately wiped from the drive. It's just that the system no longer recognizes it as important. The data remains on the hard drive until it's overwritten by new files. So, what does that mean for someone who accidentally deletes something? Well, there's still hope. Various data recovery tools can scan the hard drive for remnants of deleted files. These tools work by looking for traces of the file that haven't been overwritten yet. However, the success of recovery depends on how much new data has been written to the drive since the deletion. It's important to note that the more a drive is used after a file is deleted, the lower the chances of recovery become. If someone realizes a file is missing and acts quickly, the odds of retrieving it are much higher. But if the drive has been filled with new data, the chances drop significantly. Now, let's talk about the different types of deletion. There's a standard delete which sends files to the recycle bin, and then there's a permanent delete, often done by pressing Shift+Delete. This action skips the recycle bin entirely, marking the file for deletion right away. In this case, the file is still on the drive, but the system doesn't keep track of it in the same way. Recovery is still possible, but it's a bit trickier. For those concerned about privacy, deleting files from the recycle bin doesn't guarantee they're gone forever. Data recovery experts can often retrieve deleted files unless they've been securely wiped. Secure deletion methods overwrite the data multiple times, making recovery nearly impossible. So, what's the takeaway? Deleting a file from the recycle bin doesn't mean it's gone for good. It's more like putting it in a black hole where it can still be found, but only if the right conditions are met. For anyone looking to ensure their files are truly gone, consider using secure deletion tools that overwrite data. In summary, while deleting a file from the recycle bin may seem final, it's really just a temporary state. The data remains until it's overwritten, and with the right tools and timing, recovery is often possible. So, next time that delete button is pressed, remember there's still a chance to bring that file back, at least for a little while longer. Understanding how file deletion works can save a lot of heartache. Whether it's an important document or cherished photos, knowing the ins and outs of file management can make all the difference. So keep that in mind before hitting delete. And always double-check the recycle bin before saying goodbye to files forever. In the digital age, data management is crucial. Knowing what happens when files are deleted can help users make informed decisions about their data. So, the next time a file goes missing, remember the journey it takes from the recycle bin to potential recovery. It's a wild ride, but with the right knowledge, it doesn't have to end in despair. Stay savvy and keep those important files safe.